Hello, my QVC beauties. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful, subtly smudged eyeliner look using eyeliner and an eyeshadow. So I'm using my Carmindy Beauty Eye Enhancer Trio in quartz. I'm using my Intuit eyeliner in eggplant, and then of course my amazing double-ended eyeshadow brush. This brush is next level cool because it just smudges on color so easily. So I've already done one eye, as you can see, right? So this isn't a full smoky eye. It's just that little bit of smolder just to kick it up a notch. So let me show you how to do it. So you take the eggplant Intuit eyeliner, and I want you to smudge it underneath the lash line. And don't worry if it's a perfect line. You just have to get the color right along the roots. And this is waterproof, so it's not going to go anywhere. And that fine tip will allow you to get right into the roots very easily. Now what I want you to do is rim the inside waterline. So you just take it on the inside, rim that waterline, and this gives a little bit more of a smoldery effect. And now once you have that eyeliner in place, then I want you to take my amazing eyeshadow brush, the double-ended one, and take my quartz palette and take the darkest shade in that quartz palette, right? Blow off any excess so you don't have any fall off. And then you're just gonna smudge right on top of that eyeliner. And this is what makes it look really professional and smudgy and smoky and perfect without being over the top. And this perfect brush, gosh, this eyeliner brush is so awesome. It's my favorite thing I ever made. It's just so perfect for everyone because it just, no matter what shape your eye, just lays on that shadow and blends any eyeliner perfectly. And look at that, you're done. How easy was that to take a day look to an evening look in a flash?